Have you ever wondered how long it takes for your money to double in an investment? Or what interest rate is needed to double your money in a certain amount of time? Well, the Rule of 72 can help you answer these questions and much more. So, what is the Rule of 72? The Rule of 72 is a quick and simple method to estimate the time it takes for your investment to double, based on a fixed annual interest rate. It's a very useful tool for planning your investments and understanding the power of compound interest. The formula is pretty straightforward. You divide 72 by the annual rate of return to get the approximate number of years it will take for your investment to double. Let's take a look at an example so we can better understand how it works. Suppose you have $10,000 invested in a stock that has an annual return of 8%. Using the Rule of 72, we can estimate that it will take approximately 9 years for your investment to double. Here's how we would calculate it. So, in 9 years, your $10,000 investment would grow to approximately $20,000 assuming the annual interest rate stays constant at 8%. This example shows the power of compound interest. The longer you leave your money invested, the more time it has to grow and multiply. Now that you understand the Rule of 72, let's discuss another way you can use it to your advantage. Suppose you currently have $10,000 and need $20,000 for a down payment to buy a new home in 6 years. You can use the Rule of 72 to estimate the annual interest rate you need to achieve this goal. Since the Rule of 72 is an algebraic equation, you can divide 72 by the amount of years you plan on investing to determine the interest rate needed for your money to double. So, in this scenario you will need an annual interest rate of approximately 12% to double your investment in 6 years and have your money grow from $10,000 to $20,000. Keep in mind that this is just an estimate as it does not take into account factors such as inflation and taxes. The Rule of 72 is a simple yet powerful tool that can help you plan your investments and achieve your financial goals. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, understanding the concept of compound interest and the Rule of 72 is essential to making informed investment decisions. Remember to always keep the Rule of 72 in mind when evaluating your investment options and make sure to keep your money working for you over the long term. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so you can be alerted when we post our next video. Thanks for watching the video. We will see you in the next episode.